As 3I Atlas drifted closer to the warmth of our sun, its behavior began to betray all expectation. What should have been a quiet awakening became a spectacle of chaos and light. Where other comets brightened gently, this one flared unpredictably, as if something ancient deep within its frozen heart was stirring after an eternity of silence. Telescopes caught only faint, trembling images, soft smudges of light against the black canvas of the void. Yet even those blurred glimpses whispered of something extraordinary. Its chemistry did not match any known pattern, its nickel content rich beyond measure, its iron strangely scarce, as if forged in a crucible unlike any known within our system. It was first discovered on July 1 by the sharp eyes of the Atlas survey, and soon its path was confirmed to be hyperbolic, a mathematical signature proving it came from the stars beyond. This was no captured fragment, no lost relic from the Oort cloud. This was a true interstellar visitor, a messenger from the galaxy itself. As it began its inward journey toward its closest point to the Sun, its perihelion, astronomers across the world prepared. Observatories synchronized their instruments, awaiting the moment when heat, light, and gravity would reveal what this cosmic wanderer was truly made of. Because in that fiery passage near the Sun, every molecule, every fracture, every grain of dust would tell a story billions of years old. Already, 3I Atlas was breaking the rules. Most comets wake slowly, shedding water vapor as sunlight warms their icy surfaces. But this one, this restless traveler, came alive long before the heat should have reached it. It stirred in the cold beyond Mars, in regions where sunlight is too faint to melt even the softest frost. Then came the revelation. Infrared eyes aboard the mighty James Webb Space Telescope watched and saw something astonishing. The glowing coma surrounding the comet was not filled with water vapor at all, but with carbon dioxide, a rare and volatile gas that hinted at an alien birthplace, a world where frozen carbon ruled and water was scarce. The ratio of carbon dioxide to water vapor was unlike anything ever recorded, 8:1, a signature so extreme that scientists began to wonder whether its composition belonged to a completely different kind of solar nursery. Perhaps, they thought, its surface was sealed by a crust of dust and ice, trapping water beneath and allowing only lighter gases to escape. Or perhaps it was simply alien, a fragment from a system shaped by laws and chemistry unlike our own. As the comet drew nearer, the strangeness deepened. Jets of gas and dust erupted from its sunward side, not drifting away, but firing toward the light itself, like volcanic breaths defying the pull of physics. Each jet carried force, a small but measurable thrust that twisted its rotation and reshaped its luminous tail in real time. Even more mysterious, astronomers saw the emergence of an anti-tail, a bright, narrow streak that pointed not away, but directly toward the Sun. It shimmered like a blade of light, formed, perhaps, by heavy ice grains reflecting sunlight in reverse, a phenomenon so rare that only a handful of comets have ever shown such behavior. Then, the impossible happened. The comet switched on. Its gas output surged violently, cyanide levels spiked, and atomic nickel burst into space in a sudden flash. Not gradually, instantly, as though an invisible pulse had passed through its heart. This was no gentle warming. These were internal eruptions, triggered at precise thresholds hidden beneath its crust, like the rhythmic beating of a frozen heart. A comet with a pulse. A heartbeat forged in another star's cold nursery. On October 29, 2025, 3I Atlas will reach its moment of truth, 1.36 astronomical units from the Sun, between the orbits of Earth and Mars. There, under the full assault of solar radiation, its nucleus will face the trial of fire. Velocity will peak, its surface will shimmer and crack under the storm of light. And in that crucible, we will learn whether it survives the encounter or breaks apart into luminous dust. Whatever happens, its endurance or its destruction, the outcome will speak to something larger. It will show us how comets born under alien suns are built, and how different, how astonishingly diverse, the materials of creation can be across the vastness of the Milky Way.